Hello everyone, welcome back, and you are watching Technical World. Today in this video we are going to see fix for Mail app stop showing notification and not working properly in iPhone and iPad. Default Mail app is very famous for iPhone user. So without wasting any time, let's get started. The first thing that we have to check, we have to go to settings, then tap notification, and we have to make sure that Mail app is appear under notification. If the Mail app is not there, then we have to force close all the app that are running in the background and tap and hold the Mail app. Then tap remove app. After removing the app, we have to go to App Store and re-download and reconfigure the Mail app by settings. Then go to Mail and tap accounts. Now you have to add your account under accounts. After that, you have to select allow when we launch the Mail app. Here we have to do one more thing. We have to tap on Gmail and make sure that Mail is enabled under Gmail. Then go back to Mail, tap on notification, and also turn on the notification and select these three checks. And we have to also check the sounds. The volume is high. And tap on new mail, and here we have to select the sound for Mail app. What we have to do, we have to go to back to settings, general, and tap transfer or reset iPhone. Then tap reset and tap reset location and privacy. iPhone passcode required, and tap again reset setting to confirm. Here we have to do one more thing. We have to tap on reset again and tap reset all settings. Don't worry, this process will delete all your customized setting to default setting, but no data or media will be deleted. We have to put iPhone passcode and tap again reset all settings to confirm. That's it. By these simple and easy steps, you will get rid of this issue and you will get the mail notification in your iOS device. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful. So please don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.